Alright, you guys, listen, I gotta go get my hair cut today. But here's some of the list of the things that you have to do before you actually get your hair cut. First thing you wanna do is wash your hair. And when you wash your hair, make sure you wash your hair 2 days before the actual cut. And I wanna make this clear. Make sure you really brush your hair after you wash it. You gotta go in, man. An hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6. That's probably a little extreme, but it wouldn't hurt to do it. Another thing I wanna mention, do not put any grease in your hair before the actual cut. Make sure your hair is dry, all right? That way the clippers can go through that hair real nice. The liners, when it hits your line, be nice and crispy. Do not come in the barber shop with grease in your hair. Just don't do it. Just listen to me. Don't do it. So after you've done all of that and the time is now to get your hair cut, you wanna make sure you go in and do a long, soft brush session, all right? With a soft brush, a brush with that's kind of soft so your hair can be laid down. Do it. Now go get your hair cut, okay? Go get your hair cut.
Yo, what's up, Jeezy? Hey, I ain't gonna lie, last time I seen your waves, your shit was terrible, man. No connection, no waves. You damn near got a fro, bro. Like, honestly, bro, how do you expect to be the king of waves, but your crown's looking terrible, bro? I don't know if you stopped brushing so much or whatever, but I think Sir Cruz is damn near better right now. Like, he got better connection. You see the waves, you see the drip, you see everything. You damn near bunk now. Getting too old.
Oh, so you think cause my hair is long that I ain't got these dips up under here. Just because I wear my do-rag 24/7 don't mean not a nair, nada. But watch when I take my do-rag off, I'm gonna be spinning on it. Talking about Sir Cruz like Sir Cruz had a crown before me. I'm the reason why Sir Cruz got a crown.
Like PB the GOAT, way better. Sir Cruz, way better. Even Fonz be woofing, but he 10 times better than this when he woofing.
Let me show you something.
Today's special is civil unrest. Let me show you something.
I didn't get these stretch marks on this wave cap for no reason. I'll be laying it down. This be tight. He about to have me turn into my Kanye. I ain't been doing this more than you. You ain't got the answers.
How, Sway? You ain't got the answers, man.
Enough of this. I'm about to let the waves do the talking.
Ooh, okay. You spinning. Got a little better, you know. Your connection's looking good. I see you've been using 2 brushes, huh? Like 4 do-rags? Alright, man, you spinning, bro. You spinning. I like your connections. You really dipping. I ain't gonna lie. You damn near the best waver I've seen, man. You spinning. You spinning.
That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. I've been putting in that work. That's right.
Maybe. Maybe. I hope so. I hope so. You ready, Jared? Jared, you ready?
That's right. Okay. Yeah.
Alright, hold on. Okay, yeah, I didn't know you was coming in.